Friends, today I came for class 11th. As you know, we are studying chapter Boolean logic. In this chapter, today I will teach you about universal logic gate. In the previous video, we have discussed about basic logic gates. You know very well the definition of logic gate is same for all. Alright? So now let us see about the universal logic gate. Since these gates are designed with the help of basic logic gates, so these are known as derived logic gates. These are also known as derived logic gate. Why? Because these gates are derived designed from basic logic gates. So these are also known as derived logic gate. This is known as it is universal gate. Why it is universal gate? Because with the help of these two logic gates, we can prove the functionality of all basic logic gates. So it is known as universal logic gates. That's why these gates are known as universal logic gates. Alright? These gates are made with the help of basic logic gates. What are the basic logic gates? Means and, or, not. Alright? ठीक? Next, there are two types of universal logic gates. Derived logic gates are two types. First, NAND logic gate. Second, NOR logic gate. NAND logic gate consists of and NOT gate. AND gate and NOT gate. And NOR logic gate consists of OR gate and NOT gate. Now, to understand the behavior of principle of these logic gates, I divided the whole information about these into three parts, and these are first symbol, second truth table, and third is the expression, Boolean expression. Third is the Boolean expression. Similarly for this, first, second, third. Alright? Symbol. Then symbol of NAND logic gate is, first we will make AND gate. At the output of AND gate, we will again use NOT gate. Means we use input of NOT gate as output of AND gate. In the output of AND gate, output of AND gate is taken as input for NOT gate. We can say like this. Alright? This is the logic symbol for the NAND logic gate. And NOT. This can be written as like this. Alright? These are the inputs and this is the output of AND gate, and this is the final output of the NAND gate. This is the output of NAND gate. Now let us see the truth table. For two inputs, or we can say for two variables, the truth table of NAND gate is like this. This is the input and this is the output. There are two inputs, A and B, and output is Y. Since there are two variables, so combination of variables will be 4, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. The output of NAND gate will be 1, 1, 0. Means it is the reverse of AND operation. AND operation ka reverse. Alright? Remember that the output of AND gate, and it is the reverse of output of AND gate, because by applying the NAND gate at the output of the AND gate, applying the NOT gate at the output of AND gate. Clear? Now let us see the Boolean expression. Boolean expression, for NAND gate is written as y is equal to a dot b complement. Complement represents the NOT operation. This symbol complement represents for this NOT gate, NOT operation. So a dot b complement. All right. Now let us say for NOR logic gate. NOR logic gate consists of OR logic gate plus NOT logic gate. Symbol of this OR, this is the symbol of OR logic gate, OR, and this is NOT, you can say here and, or this is here NOT. It is more simple to understand, and this is the symbol. You can make it as this or bubble. This is input and this is output. All right. Now let us see the truth table. For this truth table is similar, only output is different due to the other gate, changed gate. AB 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Its output is opposite to the OR logic gate because you used NOT at the output end. All right. I hope the Boolean expression for this is y is equal to a plus b ka whole complement. The complement of a plus b. All right, students. Now let us see the exclusive logic gate. Now I am going to explain exclusive logic gate. Dear students, let us say exclusive logic gate. These are the special logic gates. Exclusive logic gates are the special logic gates because its operation is something special. What is its specialty? We will discuss in the truth table. There are two types of exclusive logic gate. What are the two types? First, exclusive OR gate. It is also known as XOR logic gate, and second is the exclusive NOR gate or XNOR logic gate. To understand the overall behavior of these logic gates, I am going to divide it into the 4 small points or 4 points. First point, logic symbol. This is the first point. First point is the logic symbol. Second point is the logic operation. Third point is the truth table. And fourth point is the Boolean expression. Alright, let us see the logic symbol. The logic symbol for XOR gate is like this. Alright, the logic operation that we will use for XOR gate is round plus. It is known as round plus. If A and B are two inputs, then Y is written as Y is equal to A round plus B. Alright, now let us see the truth table. The truth table for two inputs A and B is here. Since there are two variables, so the total combination will be 4, and these 4 combinations are 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Now let us see the output of the XOR logic gate. The XOR logic gate produce output 1 when there is number of ones is odd in its input combination. Means if in its input combination there is odd number of ones, then this gate will produce output 1. Here look, these two rows. In these two rows, this gate produces output 1, and here the number of 1 is odd. Alright, the Boolean expression for XOR logic gate is Y is equal to A round plus B. Round plus is the operation, XOR operation. Alright, now let us see the exclusive NOR logic gate. Again, to understand its complete functionality behavior, I divided it into 4 points. First point logic symbol, second point logic operation, third point truth table, and fourth point Boolean expression. Logic symbol. The logic symbol of X or logic gate like this. The difference is that here we used bubble. Bubble means not, XNOR. XOR plus not. We can say it as XOR plus not. Alright? The logic symbol, the logic operation of XNOR gate is round dot. The truth table of this gate for 2 inputs is this. Here the thing that we need to mind is output rows. The output of input combination is 1, where number of ones is even. In this case, output is when where number of ones are odd. This is the difference. The exclusive NOR gates produces output 1 if number of ones is even in its input combination. In the simple way, if in input combination there are even number of ones, then this gate will produce output 1. The Boolean expression. Its Boolean expression is written as y is equal to a round dot b, because round dot is the operation for exclusive NOR gate. Students, these are the basic information about the exclusive logic gate. In the next video, I will teach you the basic postulates of Boolean logic. For today, I am going to finish my video. Thank you.